Yes, we are actually harvesting my cassava today. Well, this one is looking nice. Guess who is helping us? Matata is helping us to the work. And this my brother is actually the one. I'm doing my own part, so we're actually removing it from the ground. Hey, can't you see? Precious the great farmer. Hey, when I showed you this farm, you were like, hey, is it going to bear fruit? Okuna Afghanian is bearing fruit, and I'm super excited. This is my first handwork. This is the first time I'm doing this thing, and I'm very happy it's bearing fruit. Oops, see you later. More coming your way.